Stay with us, Seema, while we turn to our guest, senior research analyst at Mizuho, Brett Lindsay. Brett, you covered this closely. And what are your and the market's expectations as to the potential exposures here and how quickly it can get resolved?
Yeah, no, good afternoon. Thanks for having me on. So certainly you have to take a holistic view when you're talking about the investment case as it relates to 3M. Really two considerations, the operations of the existing business and then some of these ongoing, liabilities, both PFAS as well as the combat arms. Obviously it's a fluid situation and there's a number of different paths that the company is moving to try to litigate as well as resolve these going forward. But, right now there's currently more than 230,000 military service members or veterans that are suing 3M as a function of this. Most recently, 3M is contending that the DoD data, shows that hundreds of thousands of the lawsuits that were made allegedly, saying these earplugs weren't effective, roughly 90% of those plaintiffs have normal hearing. And so this is going to continue to play out. There's going to be a May 1st trial, and there are going to be oral arguments for the appeals of some of these initial bellwether trials. But to your point, there's been 16 trials so far, and 3M has lost about 13 of those.
I think the issue, as it sounds, is that this case is sort of too big to settle because there's over 200,000 plaintiffs. The difference between what they want from 3M and what it says or what it can afford is so great that a settlement sounds like it wasn't on the table. And what investor wants to be exposed now, I guess it sounds like to the judge now moving forward. And we saw what happened with J&J, where I think they ruled against their ability to kind of put these liabilities into a separate company and put that into bankruptcy. So I can understand why investors are unsettled here.
Yeah, no, certainly it's been an overhang for quite some time, and they're going to work through it. But yeah, if you run the numbers, it can get to some pretty sporty outcomes in terms of what the liability number could look like. May 1st will be the big trial, and they'll continue from there. They're also working through a confidential mediation with the other side as well.
Brett, what did you make of the letter sent by a large shareholder last month to 3M CEO Mike Roman, detailing some concerns they had with not just management, but the trajectory of 3M going forward? Do you think leadership changes or a reorganization could be in the cards?
Well, I think in terms of the longer-term outlook for 3M, it's really going to be about repositioning to the high-growth markets and, really focusing on where they can differentiate value by, utilizing the fundamental strengths of the organization. I would say that's material science and very strong brand positions. And if they're able to prioritize and deploy capital resources to those most attractive opportunities, then they're going to maximize value across the portfolio. I think one of the big pushbacks for a number of years, despite 3M investing more on research and development costs than many of their other peers, they just really haven't achieved the same level of commensurate growth as those peers, despite the higher level of investment. So I think the question from here is, can they redefine and best, extract the value with, very much a diversified portfolio?